Okay, so welcome back. Today I'll be cooking up a drill beat using only Synthmaster 2.9 player. So this is free on Plugin Boutique. Pretty easy to find, just search Synthmaster player. Should pop up. But let's get into it. What I'm thinking is maybe a string or piano sort of melody. So I'm going to go through, look for some presets and see what I'm liking. So I've got this nice sound here, but I don't think it's going to work because it's a sequence and I could probably make it work if I put the time in, but I'm not really looking to work too hard with that. So this is what it's sounding like. The main problem is that it's not synced with the tempo, and I could try and find the right tempo or whatever. I really can't be bothered right now, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use this. Try and make a nice little chord progression or something, and then find something for the melody. Hopefully something I can, some ARP or something I can put into halftime. But now I'm going to lay down some root notes and build some chords. So I've got a nice progression now, I'll play that for you. I like the sound of it. There's a couple clicks and things, I'll try and iron those out. But so far it's sounding good, just with some effects it'll sound a lot better I reckon. So I'll get onto that now. So it's sounding alright, added some vinyl, a bit of supermassive. Now I'm going to come into layering this with another instrument. So I'll clone this, copy the pattern over and find a, hopefully piano, I don't know, we'll see. So I think I've got a nice flute. This is going to look a bit crazy. So I've turned this into a slow flute. I've copied the chords over, hit Control L, then I arpeggiated them. Then I added a halftime, so 1 bar x4, and then another one, half, and then 2x. Then a bit of distortion, just a little bit. Boosted that, took out all the highs and stuff. And it's just low mids and then a little boost there. So still got a bit of work to be done, might add a vinyl. But I reckon I'm getting close to a finished melody. It doesn't sound too drill, but I'm gonna work on that. Right, so now I've exported these and I'm working on the drums. I've got this nice hi-hat pattern. Classic drill. Got the snare. Got an open hat. And now I'm going to start working on the 808. So I've got the root notes here. And I'm going to start trying to come up with a little 808 pattern. And I'll get back to you once that's finished. Okay, I've got a nice 808 pattern, got that mixed with the kick, so I got that side chained, and then I've made this mixer bus for the melody, so they're all running through this. But here's the 808 pattern. I might switch it out for a different 808. I definitely will edit it further because I will be pitching up and down the melody, but here's how it's sounding so far. So I'm liking how that's going. And what I'm going to do now, I reckon I'm going to work on the drum selection first, and then I'll pitch around this melody. So that's sounding nice. I'll play the pattern for you now. I've changed up some of the drums. So I'm liking how that's sounding. Now I'm going to work on pitching around these two melodies. So I've pitched it around, and here's how it's sounding now. I'm still not happy with the melody, to be perfectly honest. I'm going to try and find one more thing, if I can, to top it off, but we'll see. Okay, so I've added 3 new instruments. Very basic, so I'll just solo the first one. Supposed to be a human voice. This is supposed to be a guitar. Lots of effects on that one. Emulated grade, parametric and vinyl. And then finally I've got this little horn thing that's on the... I don't know what beat it is. A lot of effects on that one as well. Now with all the drums and everything, here's what it's all like together. Okay, so I'm just going to structure it out and then I'll be done. Okay, so that's about it for the beat. Haven't fully structured it out, but it's not too hard to repeat this and take a couple of things out. I'll tell you what is hard though. This plugin is not made for drill. I've got so many instances of this plugin loaded, trying to find good sounds. It's got plenty of great sounds, and some of the sequences on that are really insanely good. But for drill, it is just not the right plugin. Definitely a challenge to try and find anything that I could use for the drill genre. Plenty of better plugins. I will be going over some of those better plugins in future videos. But thanks for sticking through this video. It was definitely a struggle to find something I was happy with. Still not entirely happy with this, but I've got it done. And it sounds like a drill bit. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you later.